Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I just got a new package in. It has my palette, my new Morphe palette, the 35H. I totally forgot that I ordered this and it came today. I even actually got a text message on my phone telling me that it came in. Anywho, oh, I can't forget to show you the brow pencil. I forgot I ordered this as well. They ran out of the Java. I only use the color Java. I never tried any of the other colors, but they sold out, and it's been sold out for the last couple weeks, I want to say. So I went on ahead and ordered the chocolate mousse, which is the next color next to Java. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I believe chocolate mousse is the darkest. So I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. I had no choice. I had to order it because I don't want to run out. Okay, now back to the palette. This was the 35H palette. Like I said, I forgot I ordered it, and when I saw it on the internet, I like the colors that it had inside. Although I do collect palettes, so I uh, I bought it because of those two reasons. Anywho, let's see. On the inside, you have a variety of, well, mostly matte colors. There's a few shimmers. It comes with a nice little sheer cover on top. It has different names for each color. I normally tape mine to the side. I get people that send me messages and ask me which shadow I'm using in my looks. And instead of me not knowing, I go to the little sheer paper, and they're easy to get lost. So that's why I tape it. I go to the sheer paper and I tell you guys, I'm able to tell you guys which color by the name. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so basically, I need to do a color swatch video, but I'm just going to touch a few colors. As you can see, they're very, very, very pigmented. I noticed the blue was kind of powdery, but it still had a lot of pigment. Oops, I dropped some blue in that red over there. Let's try a shimmer color. The shimmers were really pretty too. It kind of looks like a highlight. Oh, that's gorgeous. I need to find a look for that. I would probably use that for my inner corner. Well, anyways, if you guys want me to do another video on color swatches for this particular palette, leave it in the comment box below, or you can hit me up on my Instagram at TONISHAWRENN, and you can send me a DM. Excuse me. Sorry, I just got done eating. You can send me a DM on my Instagram, or you can send me a message on the comment box below, and I will go ahead and I'll make a video for that. But go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.